And what is your impression about Zadar and preparing this European Karate Championships several weeks before the start?
Well, first of all, the city is beautiful. The venue is perfect for our event. And given the experience that Croatian Karate Union has in these events, we are sure that the tournament will be a huge success for karate and for the AKF.
And you had an inspection visit?
Yeah, we had the inspection visit today, and everything is ready. And the team of the Croatian Karate Union is very professional, so they know very well what they have to do to make this event a success. And from our side, we're very pleased with what we saw today. Yeah, we are ready. I think that it will be a great tournament for karate.
How long you are working this job, and how could you compare these championships in connection with some other?
I've been working for karate since 2016, and we have the experience of the European Championship in Porridge a few years ago, and that tournament was really great. It was very well organized, and the athletes were very pleased, and the image of karate in general was raised because of the event. And I'm sure that the same thing, or even better, will happen here in May when we have this event here in Zadar.
Thank you very much, and all the best.
Thank you. Thank you.